I'm actually on empty. So I'm just here to collect this item. I think I need to chuck a little right here. Yeah. So today is the day I'm actually going to get an Osmo Pocket 3. Well, actually, the second one. Because earlier in this week, this arrived through the post and I bought this off eBay used. Turns out it doesn't work properly, so I need to return this. Not sure if the seller was trying to be deceiving or not, but you know, it is what it is. I've been thinking for a while that I need to level up my game in terms of equipment. So far, all the content that I've been creating is just being done by using an iPhone. And I thought, well, I need to start investing into bits and bobs. So things like microphone, you know, the gimbal for the iPhone, tripods, all sorts. So this time around, I thought, well, I'm going to go and get an Osmo Pocket 3. And because of that experience I had buying it used, I just thought, nah, I need to get it brand new. So I just thought I'll make a quick video and show you guys the whole thing. If you haven't done so already, give us a like, drop a comment and subscribe so you actually get notified every time we release new content. Come with me and let's go and get it. So we're going to take the 09. Let me get my gloves. So as you can see, ramps are busy. We need to go and do this. Woo. Yeah, boy. I have just realized I'm actually on empty. So I actually need to top up. So let's go and quickly get some fuel in this baby, and then we can actually make our way to Curry's. There is a petrol station around here. Let's go and get some juice. Always appreciate you guys watching and supporting our content. Actually no, I want Supreme. I've been running this bike with Supreme since I got it, so I just don't want to go ahead and mess that up. Hopefully the device is going to be well worth it. It's going to help us out massively. This time around, £16. That's not bad. Now let's go and pay up. Thank you. Actually, having had this MT09 for a very long time, I've had it for a couple of months. It's been great. I mean, I haven't ridden it huge amounts, and it's actually a pretty fun bike to have. Great. Now I'm stuck. This bike actually used to belong to a customer, and he was selling it. He came to the shop and I said to him, let me have a go on it. It was something odd, like I just instantly knew I wanted the bike. So, you know, we managed to actually strike a deal, and she's now my precious. So yeah, but it is a really fun bike to own. Actually, I've got the heater groups off. I'm gonna put them, wag them up at 100% because I haven't got my winter gloves on. So whenever I wear these, like they don't offer that much protection from the weather as my winter pair of gloves, but I prefer these. I like riding with these because there is a more like feel to it compared to the winter gloves, because
winter gloves tend to be like very bulky and very thick, obviously to protect you from the weather, which is, you know, it makes sense, it's logical. So yeah, I've actually decided to come this way because if I go using the main roads, it will take me forever. Even though I'm on a bike, it will take forever. I guess some people don't like bikes filtering for whatever reason. But I like filtering a lot. I'm used to riding in central London because many moons ago I used to commute into central every day. So I'm used to that. Which a lot of people sometimes are afraid of doing and whatever, which is understandable. But once you get used to it, you know, there is no stopping. You know, you get quicker to places and whatnot. Obviously, you know, it's if you do it safe, in a safely manner. But this bike is a real head turner. Even though it's a 2019 bike, it is a real head turner. I don't want to imagine what it will be like to ride the new version, because I'm not gonna lie, at the beginning I didn't quite like it. For me with this bike, like, I wasn't particularly a fan of the MT09 in blue. I preferred it in black, but now that I have it in blue, it grew on me so much that I don't picture myself having a black one. But you know, you live and learn. So I haven't done much to this bike, to be honest. I hope you guys are getting a good view of the cockpit. You know, don't mind my phone recording. That's just recording the sound, because I've got a wireless mic in the helmet, in the crash helmet. So I hope the audio is coming through okay. But yeah, actually the next upgrade I'm thinking of, after the Osmo Pocket 3, is actually getting the DJI Action with the 5 Pro, because as you can see on the phone screen, I'm actually using a GoPro Hero, oh god, I forgot the name of this, GoPro Session. So this is the GoPro Session 5, which is the last one they done, because they discontinued them. And it's so tiny, I love it. In reality, I bought it mainly because of the size. And it's the only one that records in 4K. And then they discontinued them. I wish they actually continued to do them, because then they're just so compact. But you know, that's not the case. So what else can you do? So I want to get myself an Action 5 Pro or an Action Pro 5, whichever way around it is, because then I don't have to mess about with connecting a mic and whatever. It's all done wirelessly, like witchcraft. But we're nearly there, nearly getting to our collection point, which is at the Curry store in Hanworth. And it's actually the next exit coming up the front wrap. So I've just realized I forgot my lock. So I need to hide this bike in the car park somewhere. and I actually need to be quick about it. So we are here, Curry's in Hamworth. So let's go and find where we're gonna hide the 09. I think maybe around there will do, or should I just... Actually, let's just put it here by the door, fuck it. Right. I'm just here to collect this item. Right. That all done, yeah? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Cheers. We have it. DJI. I swear DJI is like the new Apple. They keep making awesome products, wanting our money, and we're like, yeah, take my money, I want it. But I'm joking. They actually do produce very good products. In reality, none of them have ever let me down. Just trying to remember what the way out of here is. Is it? No, it's not. Back over there. I think I need to go all the way around. Let's get this baby started, and let's hit the road, jack. So I think I need to chuck a little right here. Yeah. I can't wheelie for shit, by the way. I can't wheelie, but that's something I actually want to learn to do. I actually know a lot of people that can actually do it, and it's something I would like to actually do myself. So watch this space. I can wheelie a scooter for sure, but when it comes to like clutch ups and, you know, balancing the whole act and stuff, you know, that's not up my alley, to be honest. Doesn't mean it can't be, but you just need to practice. But definitely something I want to actually do. Ooh, starting to get busy on the road. I think a lot of people are actually finishing work. Just had a kid wanting me to rev the bike, so I just... You gotta give the people what they want. Sometimes. Oh, there is another fellow biker filtering through, but oh, he's actually going right and I'm going left. We could have been friends, but you wanted to go that way, so you're lost. Oh yeah, traffic started to definitely build up. I'm glad I actually went the time I actually went, because otherwise this traffic wouldn't have helped matters, because I wanted to be like a ninja, in and out quick, get the bits I needed and just go back to the shop. But I hope you have enjoyed cruising along with me and listening to me whilst I ramble on about random stuff. So we will see each other back at the shop shortly. So here we are, back again on an alleyway. Let's get back into it. Customer waiting for me. Let me go and park up, and we will continue this chat in a bit.
So we are back at the shop, and what do we have here? Osmo Pocket 3. So here it is. I'm gonna be opening it up soon, and I'm actually gonna make another video. So keep your eyes peeled for that, because I'm probably gonna be doing an unboxing video. I really hope this is gonna be worth it, and this is gonna help us out massively. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching until now. If you haven't done so already, give us a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one.